Adding two-digit numbers. On the board we have two examples. Our first example is 78 plus 30. This problem was written in a horizontal format. So before we begin, let's rewrite this problem in a vertical format with 78 at the top and 30 underneath. And now we're ready to add. Let's begin adding in a ones column. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. The next step is to move to the left to the tens column. 7 plus 3. What is 7 plus 3? Correct. 7 plus 3 is 10. We have 108. 78 plus 30 equals 108. Our next example is 10 plus 12. Notice this problem is written in a horizontal format, so we're going to begin by rewriting this problem in a vertical format, placing 10 at the top and 12 underneath, because that is how the problem was written. But with addition, the problem can be written in reverse, where 12 will be placed at the top and 10 at the bottom. And if we wrote the problem this way, the answer will still remain the same. And with that said, let's get started. We're going to begin adding in the ones column. 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? Correct. 0 plus 2 is 2. The next step is to move to the left to the tens column. 1 plus 1. And how much is 1 plus 1? Yes, 1 plus 1 equals 2, making our answer 22. 10 plus 12 equals 22. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.